Looking to upgrade your kitchen? Today, we're reviewing the sleek and functional black pull-out kitchen sink faucet. It's deck-mounted, features a stream sprayer, and offers hot and cold water options. Let's dive into its key features and performance. First, let's talk design. The matte black finish is not only stylish but also resistant to fingerprints and water spots, perfect for maintaining a clean, modern look in your kitchen or bathroom. The standout feature is the pull-out sprayer, which extends smoothly to reach every corner of your sink. You can switch between a steady stream for filling pots and a sprayer for rinsing dishes, offering ultimate convenience for daily tasks. Installation is hassle-free with its deck-mounted design. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or bathroom, this faucet fits seamlessly onto your sink. Made from high-quality materials, this faucet is built to last. It delivers consistent water pressure for both hot and cold settings, ensuring reliability for years to come. So, is the black pull-out kitchen sink faucet worth it? Absolutely. Its combination of style, functionality, and durability makes it a great choice for any modern home. Check out the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick product reviews. Are you looking for a stylish and functional faucet to enhance your kitchen? Today, we're reviewing the black pull-out kitchen sink faucet, a sleek, deck-mounted option that combines modern design with everyday practicality. The matte black finish gives it a bold, contemporary look, while also resisting fingerprints and water spots. This makes it a great addition to any kitchen or bathroom, keeping it looking clean and polished with minimal effort. One of its standout features is the pull-out sprayer. With a flexible hose, it easily reaches all areas of your sink. You can switch between a steady stream for filling containers and a spray mode for rinsing, making it versatile for a variety of tasks. Installation is simple thanks to its user-friendly, deck-mounted design. It's compatible with most sinks, ensuring a seamless fit without professional help. Built with durability in mind, the faucet is made from high-quality materials that provide consistent water pressure. Whether you need hot or cold water, it delivers reliable performance every time. So why choose the black pull-out kitchen sink faucet? It's a winning combination of style, functionality, and durability that makes everyday tasks easier and your kitchen more modern. Ready to upgrade your space? Check the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.